In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Sheets Typeform integration. This integration is a fantastic way to automatically transfer and organize your Typeform responses into Google Sheets, making data analysis simpler and more efficient. Let's take you through this process step by step. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.typeform.com. Once you arrive at the Typeform homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have a Typeform account set up, you can proceed by entering your credentials. You have the option to log in using your email and password, or you can choose a more seamless approach by logging in using third-party services like Google or Microsoft, depending on what you've previously set up. Simply choose the method that's most convenient for you and enter the required details. After entering your login information, hit the login button to access your Typeform dashboard. Once you're in, you'll need to locate the specific form you're planning to connect with Google Sheets. Take a moment to scroll through your list of forms and open the one you want to integrate. Once your chosen form is open in the Typeform editor, direct your attention to the top part of the editor interface and locate the Connect option. Clicking Connect will lead you to a section specifically designed for integrations. Here you'll find a variety of applications you can integrate with your Typeform. For today, your focus will be on Google Sheets, so go ahead and click on that option. At this point, if you haven't already connected your Google account, Typeform will ask you to log in. It's important to grant permission for Typeform to access your Google Sheets, so make sure to allow this access to ensure a smooth integration. After granting permission, you might have multiple Google accounts, so be sure to select the one you want to use for this integration. Confirm your choice and proceed to configure the specifics of how you want the data to be imported. Once everything is set to your liking, ensure your configuration is complete and click on Save to finalize the integration. And there you have it, you've successfully connected your Typeform to Google Sheets. This process allows the automatic transfer of your data, keeping your information organized and up to date for easy data management. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're now ready to get started on your next data project with this powerful integration. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks.